How do I install and use free spy apps without touch for phone surveillance?
Hello everyone, and welcome to this insightful video tutorial. Today, we're going to tackle a question many of you have been asking. How do I install and use free spy apps without touch for phone surveillance? But before we proceed, let's be clear about one thing. It's crucial to respect individual privacy and ensure any such activity complies with your local laws.
What are free spy apps?
Free spy apps are applications developed to monitor the activity on a device remotely. These applications can track call logs, messages, browsing history, GPS locations, and more. They're often used by parents to supervise their children's online activity or companies tracking employee productivity on company devices.
Can you install spy apps without touching the target phone?
It's important to note that most reliable and legitimate spy apps require physical access to the target device for installation. This is primarily due to security measures present in modern operating systems. However, there are a few cases where you might be able to install these apps without direct access. 1. iCloud credentials. For iPhone, if you have the target's iCloud credentials, some apps can monitor the device without physical access. 2. Email or message link. Some apps might offer installation through a link sent via email or message. The user needs to click the link to install the app. Remember, using these methods without the device owner's knowledge or consent is illegal and unethical.
How do I use these spy apps?
After understanding the legality and the basic requirements, let's delve into how to use these apps. 1. Select an app. There are many free and paid spy apps available. Ensure you select one that best fits your needs and is legitimate. 2. Installation. Install the app on the target device or use the method outlined in Section 2 if physical access isn't possible. 3. Set up an account. Most apps will require you to create an account. This is where you'll receive the data from the target device. 4. Monitor the device. After installation and setup, you can log into your account on any web browser and start monitoring the data you're interested in. So there you have it. This is a basic guide on how to install and use free spy apps without touch for phone surveillance. Remember, respect for privacy and legal consent are crucial when using such tools. If used correctly and ethically, these apps can help keep our loved ones safe or increase productivity in a corporate setting. We hope you found this guide useful, and thank you for watching.